and effective CITES implementation. It is not going to leave the CITES agenda anytime soon. We see that other multilateral environmental agreements have addressed this issue and have set up platforms or working groups or even consultative mechanisms to ensure that communities have a voice. We call on CITES parties assembled here to respect us, the critical guardians of wildlife and wildlands. We call on you with a sense of urgency to give high priority at this COP to find a way forward to including us in CITES deliberations. You cannot save wildlife without us. We are happy to be part of any working group that is tailored towards engaging communities in CITES processes. Thank you.